Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a STAAD Pro tutorial series, and previous lecture I have shown you that how I'll draw node, beam and column, and in this video I'll show you that how I'll draw slab and also how I'll assign material property and how we'll assign support for foundation and how we'll define load. So let's start. First of all, I'll open STAAD Pro and then I will open our previous model. Here our previous model from lecture 2, and that was our previous model. So click here geometry, here geometry, and after that now we'll assign support on here. Suppose consider that this is a 3-story building, and for support click here view from Z plus and press here node cursor, and if you want to select beam or column, then you have to use beam cursor like that. You can select beam cursor, and if you want to select node, then you have to press like that. So press here node cursor and copy that only 2. So we have copy, we have selected only 2, and then we'll go here support page. Now after support page we have to create which types of support we want to assign here. So create, and here they have many: foundation, fixed, pinned, fixed butt, reinforced butt, multi-spring. They have many options. So as we are inserting here fixed, so click here fixed, and after go add, press here add. Okay, add, and after that select that, and again go here cursor and select both node and assign. Here you have to select assign to selected node that we have assigned, and assign to view. If we use that option, the every point, every node there, in every node it will be assigned. And use cursor to assign. When we'll use that option, if we click here after assign, then we have to select the node and it will assign that. So we'll use assign to selected nodes. Here only for selected node, and assign yes, and close that. After that go in 3D mode. So you can see here our all node, we have defined our fixed support. After that we'll go here. After that we'll define materials. Here after that we have to go here property page and click here property page, and here we have to go here define. So press here define, and which types of property we want to select. It's circular, or it's T, rectangle, trapezoidal, anything. So I want to select first of all rectangle, and then I'll go here suppose in y direction it's 18 inch 1.5 feet, and it's 1 feet in dz direction and y direction. And from here we have to select concrete, materials concrete, then add. I will use that for beam, and for column I will use 1.5 into 1.5. After that again press that add and close that. So we're seeing that there have two things, 18 inch and 12 inch, and 18 inch and 18 inch. So I will assign that 18 inch into 12 inch concrete frame for beam, and 18 inch into 18 inch for our column. So first of all I will go here, yes, select save. So I'll go here, select that, and they have many options. First of all we have to select the beam, and then we'll use assign to selected beam. Otherwise use cursor to assign. So I'm just going to show you that, and here about I have told about that. So use cursor to assign. Click here assign, it's assigning. Then you have to select where you want to assign. Suppose I want to assign here, 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 like that. Or if I use that option assign to view, if we click assign, it will assign everywhere. So that two options work like that. So I'll go back, so here we have undo, and after that we can select wall beam manually. So click here, beam cursor, select control plus select, control plus select. You have to press control. After that you will be able to select wall, beam, select wall beam, like that. So here the number of beam are very low, that's why we can do it. But when it will be very high, then we can do that like that. So after that you have to select assign to selected beam and assign. Here you are seeing that in every beam or that value have assigned. Again we'll go undo to see another procedure. Now I will go here, and from here select beam cursor and select like that way. You are seeing that all beam have selected, and then assign to selected beam, assign, click assign. Okay, if you go in 3D mode you can see that, and again go in X direction, and again select here, and again go to selected, yes, then go to 3D mode. 3D mode, we are seeing that in everywhere it's assigned. But they have another way to assign that. Go down, and after that you have to go here, select, and from here select beam parallel to x-axis. I mean it will select the x-axis beam. So here x-axis, again go select here beam parallel to z-axis, it's z-axis. So all beam have selected like that. You can assign to selected beam, assign, yes, that in this way you can assign. After that we'll assign our column. So this is also the same procedure. So here select that, and from here we can go here and we can select that, again copy, select that, control, sorry, select that and control, select that, and here also control, sorry, select that, and select that, and you can assign to selected beam. Okay, go in 3D mode. Here wall column have been assigned, and again go back, and we have correctly assigned the beam or not. We can see from here, see here 3D render view, or from here geometry, sorry, view tools and 3D render view, then click here. You can see that here. It is our beam. After that, close that. Yes, save, close that. After that, we'll go here to select our column, select beam parallel to Y. We know that column are in Y direction, so it has selected wall column in Y direction, and then assign to selected beam, assign. Okay, then close. So if we go in 3D mode, we are seeing that we have assigned everything. It's showing in very close because we have considered our distance are in very close, that's why it's showing like that. So you're seeing that we have assigned everything. In that way we can assign our frame. So it's okay till today, and in our next video I'll show you that how we'll assign load to our model, and after that how we'll analyze that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.